Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video I want to do a little bit better Truthy Falsey explanation for you so that you really get an understanding of what the concept is. But first though, if you like videos like this where I show you how to program or how to install and set up software, make sure to subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. So let's say we want a user to enter their first name. So I'm going to say f_name equals input, enter your first name. Now, if they don't enter anything, they just hit return, it's going to be an empty string, and that's technically a falsy. If they do enter something, it's technically truthy. All right, there is something. So what I can use is a conditional to respond based on whether they actually enter a first name or not. So what I could say is if f_name, and that's all I have to do. So if that's truthy, then I would print something like maybe an f string, hi, and then f_name. And then I could also do an else. So if fname is an empty string, that's falsy, so that would be the else. Let's print something like bro, I said enter your name. And then I could have another line where f_name equals an input, enter your first name. And now if I run this, and let's just say here I hit return, said bro, enter your first name. Now if I hit return again, we don't have it in a loop, so it just ends. But if I run it again and enter a first name, let's say Tim, and notice I didn't leave any spacing here, so it's right up against the prompt, which illustrates why it might be important to have a space. So let's say I enter Tim though, and it just says hi Tim because it evaluates to truthy. Okay, so hopefully that illustrates the truthy falsy concept a little bit better. If it was helpful to you, if this video was helpful to you, please give it a like, as it will help get out to more people. Thank you.